Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's not full today, I just came back from YIWU. Let me talk to you directly about something real and usable. I ran the entire YIWU market these days. Let me make it clear to you today. Is YIWU doing well now in 2026? What are sold in each district and how can I get around? And the upcoming exhibition in April, is it worth a visit? It's all dry goods, let's start directly. First of all, let's talk about the real situation in YIWU in 2026. I will simply say, so far this year, there are really many people in YIWU, whether it is from China or foreign customers. Obviously much more prosperous than the previous 2 years. And now YIWU. It's not the kind of place where only cheap little things are available. There are many new models, many smart models, and many good-looking designs. Update speed is very fast. In addition, most of them are now directly supplied by the factory. The middle price difference is less, which is actually more cost-effective for us. The most important point, April this year is the most critical month in the first half of YIWU. There are large-scale exhibitions, new models, prices, and trends, all of which are basically set in April. So if you want to make goods in April, you can really pay attention. Next, let me tell you about YIWU District 1. How to get around in District 2, District 3, District 4, and District 6. It's all in vernacular, please remember, you will never get lost if you go there. Let me tell you first, I won't shoot or talk about District 5, because District 5 is an import hall, it sells foreign things. We do wholesale, do foreign trade, and look for Chinese sources. Look at District 1, District 2, District 3, District 4, District 6, that's enough. First, let's talk about District 1. District 1 can be said to be the oldest in YIWU, the most popular area, a must-visit area for everyone when they come for the first time. The simplest here are toys and accessories, jewelry, craft gifts, festival supplies in the world. The first floor was filled with toys, plush, electric, puzzle, artificial flower, large quantity, many styles, and large price selection space. The second floor is the girls' favorite place. Headwear, earrings, necklaces, pearls, various accessories. The new models are getting on very fast. What is popular will be available here as soon as possible. The third floor is mainly for craft gifts, festival decorations, party supplies, ornaments, etc. Basically, you make jewelry, toys. If you do gifts or party supplies business, you can directly rush to the first district without hesitation. And then Sector 2. The second district is practical as a whole. Partial tools which belong to the kind that don't look fancy. However, areas with particularly high business demand. Mainly bags, hardware, tools, small household appliances, electronic accessories, umbrellas. The first floor is full of bags, suitcases, backpacks, umbrellas, and rain gear. There are many styles and the cost performance is very high. The second floor and the third floor are hardware tools, locks, small household appliances, small electrical appliances, watches, electronic accessories, etc. If you are in the hardware business, make bags, outdoor tools, and small household appliances, District 2 must be your main target. The third district is more inclined to exquisite small merchandise, beauty, office things, mainly stationery, office supplies, beauty skincare products, beauty tools, clothing accessories. The first and second floors are full of stationery, student supplies, office supplies, sporting goods. Open a stationery store and do office supplies. The third floor is cosmetics, beauty tools, and buttons for clothing, zippers, lace, various accessories. Do boutiques, beauty numbers, stationery stores, and clothing customized in small batches. You can find a lot of good stuff in District 3. The 4 districts can be understood as the headquarters of general merchandise. It is also the area with the largest traffic volume in YIWU and the closest to daily life. The first floor is socks, leggings, pantyhose. Most of the country's sock supply is concentrated in this one. The second floor is hats, gloves, all kinds of daily small general merchandise, small daily necessities. The third floor and the fourth floor are underwear. Underwear, towels, shoes, home furnishings, scarves, etc. As long as you are making general merchandise. Clothing store, underwear store, online supermarket supply. You must be able to avoid the fourth district. District 6 is the latest in YIWU, the best environment and the most modern museum overall. The overall positioning is the trend, new models, cross-border e-commerce, live streaming. The products inside are generally younger and more designed, such as trendy accessories, creative toys, smart gadgets, new internet celebrities, explosive items suitable for cross-border sales. If you are doing TikTok, do cross-border, do live broadcast, and want to find the latest model, District 6 must be given priority. Okay, the next paragraph is the most important dry item in my video today. How important are these two large-scale exhibitions in YIWU in April 2026? Is it worth coming? I'll make it clear to you, no exaggeration, no fooling, all practical. The first one is YIWU Commodity Innovation Expo. The time is from April 12th to 14th. This exhibition is mainly about household goods, kitchen supplies, cleaning supplies, life, small appliances, smart home products. To put it bluntly, this exhibition is all about. It may sell out in the second half of the year of new household products. Many of them are the first time the factory has shown them. The second is the YIWU Hardware and Electrical Appliances Expo. The time is from April 20th to 22nd. This is a very large scale, mainly hardware tools, electrical materials, small electrical appliances, security products, industrial small accessories, etc. It is the most important exhibition for hardware and home appliances in the first half of the year. Let me summarize for you the three most realistic reasons. As soon as you hear it, you will know why you should pay attention. First, the price during the exhibition. Basically, it is the most advantageous gear throughout the year. In order to drive volume and attract customers, the quotation of the factory will be more realistic than usual. Second, new product for 2026 to 2027. All start at this time. Whoever sees it first will get it first. Whoever is one step ahead of others. And thirdly, you get to meet the owner, the person in charge, face to face. Talk about long-term cooperation, talk about exclusive styles, talk about stable supply. It's much more effective than going to the store and asking yourself. Let me put it to you a little bit more bluntly. Come to YIWU in April, which is as good as your usual 3 or 4 times. Whether you are doing brick and mortar stores, e-commerce, cross-border, wholesale. This is the most critical selection opportunity in the first half of the year. So let me leave you with a very simple but memorable summary. YIWU in 2026. The overall state is upward, the order is stable, and the goods are upgraded. District 1 to District 4, covering the most commonly used categories in our business. District 6 is specifically responsible for the latest, the trendiest, most suitable for cross-border and live broadcast styles. The April exhibition is the best selection for the first half of the year. Looking for goods and talking about the time window for cooperation. And then I'm going to make a section for you. Special videos of District 2, District 3, District 4, and District 6. Each district is shot separately and talked about separately. Which floor is the most worth visiting and which things are cost-effective? What to pay attention to when getting the goods and how to avoid stepping on the pit. All real shots. I'll show you little by little. I want to continue to watch the content of real auctions and dry goods in these first-tier markets. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the little bell and don't miss every real and useful piece of content. You can tell me in the comments section, which district's in-depth market shopping video do you want to watch first? Will you come to YIWU this year and will you come to the exhibition in April? If this video is helpful to you today, remember to give me a like. With your support, I am motivated to continue running the market. Take the real shot and bring you more real and useful dry goods. Our next video, directly into YIWU market. District by district to take you around, take you to find the real sale. It can make money and be a good source of goods for a long time. See you next time.